Hey kids! My nephew is playing with some building blocks. Why don't we give him some minute and see what he can create out of these colorful Legos? But first, let's identify the colors. Green, orange, blue, purple, For more fun videos, you have to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So kids, please do subscribe. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Wow, look kids! He did a tremendous job and made a square building. You also can play with these Legos and make so many interesting things or structures. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye!